the Ocuprime Review is pleased to welcome you. What exactly is Ocuprime? Before I begin, my name is Kenny. Ocuprime is a revolutionary eye health product that can help you improve your eyesight and overall health. It's a natural supplement that's been kept for healthy eyes and vision. It improves your quality of life by reducing the harmful influence on your eye health. Each pill in this supplement aids in maintaining eye health and visual support, making it easier to participate in your favorite activities. It lowers the cost of free radicals in your body and keeps your eye treatments healthy. It protects your eyes from the serious causes of vision problems such as blurred vision, strain, and dry eyes. Even in the dark, these vision health supplements can help you improve your eye health and eyesight. It helps to lessen the risk of night blindness, which is beneficial to keeping good vision. Ocuprime is a supplement that comes in the form of a pill that you must take twice a day to maintain your improved vision and overall health. The supernatural is indistinguishable. Each pill helps to keep your eyes healthy by promoting a better blood flow over your retinal region. The elements provide essential nourishment and vitamins to your eyes, lowering your chance of blindness. It protects your eyes from the damage caused by oxidative stress and improves your eyesight. Each Ocuprime capsule is made with natural components that will not create any allergic reactions in your body. It is made in the United States and is GMP certified and GMO-free. What is the mechanism behind it? Ocuprime's natural blend of pure green components aids in the development of proper eye vision. It aids in the prevention of eye injury and the maintenance of a healthy eye. It protects the retina of your eye and prevents macular degeneration, which can lead to major vision problems. It aids in the improvement of mitochondrial function, which aids in the formation of crystal clear vision in your eye cells. This supplement protects your eyes from blue light while also reducing dryness. It is made in accordance with a number of safety guidelines for maintaining a healthy sight. It supports the cornea, which helps keep your eyes clear from the outside. Itchy Health capsules contain vitamins and minerals that improve your vision by protecting your optic nerve and neurological vision. It lowers the pigmentation caused by UV rays reflected in your eyes. It aids in the reduction of ocular stress and the maintenance of good eyesight and vision. It shields your eye lens from harmful rays and mitigates the effects of oxidative stress on your eyes. It aids in the prevention of retinal damage and the maintenance of good vision. Dan Trout, the creator of this Ocuprime, conducted extensive scientific study on the chemicals in this product to restore the effects on your eyes and vision in a healthy manner. It aids in the natural brightening of your eyesight and the smooth flow of blood in your eyes. Ocuprime the Supreme has a customized blend of carefully hand-picked natural, potent components that promote your goal of health. For your convenience, the ingredients in each capsule are detailed below. Euphrasia officinalis, often known as eyebright, helps to brighten your vision and protects your eyes from the source of the hazardous ailment. It aids in the healing of eye issues as well as the support and creation of healthy eyesight. It keeps your retina healthy, which improves your vision. Quercetin, also known as Sephora japonica, has antioxidant and chelating qualities that help protect your eye lens from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Cataracts can be caused by a variety of factors, including damage and support. Bilberry has energizing characteristics that can help you improve your vision. It improves your night vision while also supporting and preventing night blindness. It supports good eye vision by lowering eye pressure and maintaining normal blood flow in eye cells and tissues. Lycopene protects your eyes from cataracts and helps to prevent macular degeneration, which can lead to blindness in elderly people. It protects your eyes from oxidative damage and helps to keep the retinal portion of your eyes contained. Magnesium oxide promotes clear vision by assisting and improving ocular blood flow over the retinal region. It aids in the prevention of oxidative stress and apoptosis in retinal ganglion cells. It aids in the maintenance of clear, crisp eyesight while improving your eye at a suitable rate. It aids in the correct circulation of blood around your eyes and throughout your body. It helps to strengthen your blood vessels and improves blood flow to the retina. It aids in the improvement of your vision by maintaining a clear and sharp image. It protects your body from blood vessel illness and keeps your eyes and body healthy. Seed of a grape seeds aid in the prevention of eyesight loss by decreasing the progression of macular degeneration. It aids in the prevention of eye illness and the reduction of injury-related edema. It protects your eye cells from damage and aids in the prevention of a variety of disorders. It protects your eye retina from zeaxanthine and lutein intestinal degeneration. It has antioxidant characteristics that aid in the preservation of your eye cells and retinal region. It protects your eyes from the harmful effects of high-energy blue light as well as free radicals. It has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in prevention. Your eyes are protected from the possibility of developing an eye disease. The benefits of occupying include keeping normal eye vision and supporting your body's overall wellness. The benefits are provided below for your convenience. Occupy promotes good eye health and eyesight. This capsule includes a natural plant extract that does not affect your body in any way. It aids in the reduction of oxidative stress in the eye retina. This capsule keeps your blood flowing properly over your eye strain. It aids in the reduction of toxins in your eyes and the maintenance of good vision. It protects your eye cells from oxidative stress, which is beneficial to your eye's overall health. It aids in the prevention of retinal degeneration. It helps to strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes, which can help to prevent night blindness. Occupation's drawbacks. On its official website, the Ocuprime has several frequent downsides when it comes to ingesting the supplement. Some of the disadvantages are listed below. Occupying is only available on the official website of the product. This item is not available from any other retailer. Before taking this Occupy supplement, speak with your healthcare provider. Do not give this Occupime capsule to children, and do not take more than the suggested dose of Occupying. The Occupime can be purchased for a reasonable price on its official website. This eye supplement aids in the maintenance of good eyesight and clear vision. The price of each bottle is shown below for your convenience in understanding the product's pricing and shipping. A 30-day supply of Occupying costs $69 each bottle, saving $110 in addition to shipping costs. 3 bottles of Occupy, each with a 90-day supply, for $59 each, saving $360 plus free shipping within the United States. 6 bottles of Occupying, a 180-day supply, for $49 each, saving $780 plus free shipping to the United States. Recommendation for occupation dosage. The Occupime is a natural blend of pure healthy pills that provides consistent support for your eye health. The suggested dosage for Occupime is 2 pills per day, which helps to preserve healthy eye vision. With each capsule, drink plenty of water to help your digestive system. This eye supplement helps you achieve better eyesight and promotes the health of your retinal region. Each capsule contains natural hand-picked pure nutrients that support healthy brain function and improved vision. There are 60 capsules in each bottle of Occupime. Capsules that sound good and produce good eyesight. Every capsule in this Occupime is simple to take. To ingest that has natural robust strength hand-pick elements that provide abundant vitamins and minerals for general eye health. Occupime is an eye supplement that aids in the maintenance of your vision. It contains the highest quality natural nutritious elements to help keep your eyes healthy. This pill aids in the maintenance of good eye function. Many customers have expressed satisfaction with Occupy, an eye health supplement. This supplement comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee if you return it within 60 days of purchase. Occupied.